So to start building this project, I want to use Lovable. So if you come to lovable.dev/your dashboard, this is what you are going to see. Now, if you come here, you can actually connect Lovable with a lot of your other apps, but we want to do a very simple beginner-friendly build. So here we are going to select the build. We don't want to plan because we already planned it using Claude. So you need to get your master prompt. I came to Claude and I told Claude what I wanted to do. So Claude has given me the master prompt that I would give to Lovable. So this is the master prompt, and then this is the display result. So what we are trying to create is very simple. So we give it the backend and it's going to give us a display result, and this is the design. This is what I want it to be like, and on the footer I want it to carry my website. If I don't want to do this, I can basically remove all of this, but this is the simple prompt from Lovable. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy everything from here. So I've copied my master prompt and I come back to Lovable. All I have to do is to paste this. I could actually tell Lovable directly to do it for me, but I do not want to waste a lot of credit. So I go to Claude to bring the idea to life, and then I now have everything I need. I can now give it to Lovable, and Lovable should instantly understand what I mean and it can build it. So the app we are building is called the Course Lesson Planner, and it's supposed to be a React app. So it's a free tool for course creators, and what it should do is to generate a full structured curriculum instantly. It doesn't need to use API or any external dependency. So how it's going to work is that the app is going to use a built-in rule-based curriculum engine. The user will simply put like a short form, and then it will generate a result and a complete course outline. So this is basically for people who create courses like myself. So after giving them the whole prompt, I'm just going to click on go. So Lovable has taken the prompt and it has gone through it, and this is a confirmation of what it's doing. So it says it will build this as a single page app with pure JS curriculum engine. So it's creating the engine data, the page, and then the design. All we have to do now is just give it the time to do it. This is supposed to be a properly done project, so it's not something it's going to spit out in 30 seconds or 1 minute. So you just have to give it time. So you can add references here, but we don't want to do that. So let's give it a few minutes. After a couple of minutes, you can see that our project is completely ready. So the nice thing is it follows everything I told it to use in the prompt. All right, and you can see the app is very simple. So course lesson planner, so they fill out this form and instantly generates a complete structured course curriculums, modules, objectives, lessons, and case studies included. So this app is supposed to help course creators with the ideal lesson structure or course structure for their target audience. So here you just come, you put your course topic. In this case, let's say we are doing email marketing for beginner. Target your audience and then their desired results. You can come down here, select their niche. We have a couple of niche. You can select others if it's not here. Select the number of module you want the course to be. Let's say we are doing maybe just 4 in this case, and then you can add a case study if any. So once you have done all of that, you can just click generate curriculum, and it's going to generate all of the curriculums for you. We are still going to test this properly, but before then, you can see the footer. I told them that it was built by me, and it puts my website. It says free tool for course creators and no sign-in required. So I really like this because this is a one-page tool, very easy to use, and we can instantly just publish this page. You can publish it or from here, or you can publish it from here. So I'm going to come here, click on publish, and it's going to generate a URL for me that I can use. So this is the URL. Of course, I can edit it. So let's say I can call it let me come here, I can call it CLP, something like that, and publish it. So come here again, click on edit. We are just going to paste this right here. I'm just going to call it CLP. So you can just come here, click on check if this is actually available. So this project already exists, so we are just going to find something else for it. So we now have a domain, and now you can simply just publish it. Of course, you can add the SEO, you can add the payment method. I already have a video on how you can add the payment method and all of that, but we are good to go now. You can just come here, click on publish, click on continue, and it's going to be public, and click on continue again. You can upload your title, your description. I'm going to leave all of that blank, and then we can just click on continue. Visibility, public again. Website info is missing a fee info. We don't care so much about that now. You can click on publish, and we have successfully published this app using just a single prompt, and it took less than 5 minutes to create this fully functioning app. So our app is live. Let's go and visit our app, and we can try to see if it is working properly. So this is the interface. So here I'm going to say maybe email marketing or funnel design. So here I just fill this information. I want to build a funnel design mastery course. The target audience will be freelancers. What should be their transformation? They should build converting funnels. I'm going to select the niche. This niche is under marketing. It can be any other thing for you. And then the module, I'm going to keep it to somewhere around 4. I can put like a case study or brand name, and we are just going to come here, click on continue. So as you can see, instantly it gives us the funnel. For instance, the module 1, lesson 1, foundation and mindset, why most funnels design mastery fail and what to do instead. The funnel design mastery framework that actually works, how to define your ideal customer in 30 minutes, understanding your audience, building your first campaign from scratch, how to read results without getting overwhelmed, the optimization loop, crafting your message, why most funnels design mastery fail. And there's a few things here that it doesn't do very well, and that's because we are not connecting it to any API, so there is no tokens used in this case. So the entire result might be not so polished, because some of these things, if we had an API attached to it and we're using like maybe Claude, ChatGPT and the rest, it will be able to refine this without repeating this mastery, because mastery is not a part of the lessons actually. So this is something we can tweak by just adding an API to fine-tune everything. But also they can just download the whole thing that they've created, and they can copy the curriculum if they want to, or they can start over. You can see that everything works seamlessly and fast. I did this with just a single prompt using a free account and using less than 5 minutes. So this is how you can create an app inside of Lovable for absolutely free.